Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2018 and beyond Hyundai Accent four-door sedan. This system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of four, and then you have the Thule WingBar Evo load bars offered in both silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which contains the necessary components for these parts to fit this vehicle perfectly. So let's look at these in depth. So the fit kit will include four of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as four rubber base pads. These two components include numbers, which correspond to the numbers that are provided with the instruction sheet that comes with the fit kit. Also, there's a set of stickers that are included with the fit kit to help you to organize and identify each foot. So we've attached a sticker here, and that will indicate from this point forward, when that sticker is applied, that this is for the front left position. So then you would just look at your instruction sheet and see which of the rubber bases are for that position, and then go ahead and orient that right over the top of the pivoting plate at the bottom, and then press around the perimeter. And then the door frame bracket just snaps into this assembly. And that's how that works, to keep you organized and to make sure that all of your components are properly positioned. Now, when it's time to install the load bars, you'll notice there's these silver tabs here. And those tabs will allow you to slide the load bar into place on top of the foot. Let's go ahead and do that. Here is the WingBar Evo load bar. This is a segment that we've cut down so that you can see the cross section. This is a box beam construction for excellent rigidity. There's a dedicated track along the top. That track is accessible from the end cap when in use, so that you can slide various hardware in between the two pieces of rubber and give you a method of attaching certain carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment, and then also giving you the ability to use the full length of the bar for positioning those certain accessories. Now, when it comes time to installing the foot onto the bar, there's a slot on the underside. At the bottom of that slot, you'll see we've installed the measuring device. That measuring device has scale numbers on the underside that correspond to numbers that come shown in the instruction sheet for your vehicle. Let's go ahead and put on the foot. I'll just pop off the end cap temporarily. And then I'll take the foot and we'll just press in that silver tab and slide the foot into place, and then bring that foot down to the correct position as detailed in the instruction sheet. Now you'll notice we have an area here between the foot and the end of the bar that we need to fill in to maintain good aerodynamics. And this rubber strip is included with the rack. You would just cut that down to fill in that space completely. And that will ensure that you have maintained good aerodynamics so that you have no open slot which could create wind noise. Then we can go ahead and put the end cap back into place. And we can also, at this point in the assembly, you would be ready to tighten the door frame bracket into the door frame. And Thule provides a tool here. And this tool just engages into the fastener, you tighten, and once you get to the proper tightness, this handle clicks, and that will ensure that you've brought it to the correct tension as determined by the Thule engineers. Okay, and then we have the outer cover that we can put back into place. There's a plastic plug that you give a quarter turn that holds that cover into place for you. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule one-key system lock cylinder. These lock cylinders are sold in matched sets, so you can get a set of 4 to lock all 4 of your towers. However, you can get more sets, for example, a 6-pack, an 8-pack, and order these cylinders individually, all key matched, so that all of your Thule accessories and carriers can be working off of the same key. So very effective theft deterrent, very convenient to have one key operating all of your Thule one key system components and accessories. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2018 and beyond Hyundai Accent four-door sedan. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see important links in this video description for access to this system, completely pre-configured, all your buying options for this system for this vehicle, as well as more detailed instructions for the complete assembly and installation for this system on a vehicle. Thanks for watching.